Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Monday, May 18th. Carnival Cruise Line's Mardi Gras made an unscheduled stop off of Florida's East Coast Saturday evening after responding to a small boat in distress. According to passenger reports sent to our tip line, the vessel had reportedly run out of fuel, food, and water before the Mardi Gras arrived to assist. Marine tracking data shows that Mardi Gras stopped around 33 miles off the coast of Sebastian Inlet around 6 p.m. local time. Video provided by passenger Tanya Badora shows the individuals being brought on board the ship for medical evaluation while the crew coordinated with the U.S. Coast Guard. In a statement to Cruise News Today, Carnival told us, quote, "The ship's crew spotted the vessel displaying a distress flag, notified the Coast Guard, and safely brought all 9 adults on board." Video taken in Nassau shows the rescued individuals being escorted off the ship by Bahamian police, with one being escorted off in handcuffs. Mardi Gras was sailing the first day of a 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise at the time of rescue. And a federal judge has partially overturned Bar Harbor, Maine's cruise ship passenger cap in a ruling that could eventually bring back larger ships to the port. Now, the judge ruled that the town's 1,000 passenger daily limit is unconstitutional outside of the summer months of July and August. Bar Harbor leaders are expected to meet today to discuss a possible appeal, while supporters of the restrictions say they are not backing down. The limits were originally put into place to reduce congestion and over-tourism. And 2 Carnival ships are currently in dry dock at the Grand Bahama Shipyard in Freeport as Carnival Magic and Legend undergo maintenance and refurbishment projects. Carnival Magic entered the shipyard last month and is expected to receive technical upgrades, repairs, and a Lido buffet refresh before returning to service later this month from Miami, while Carnival Legend also undergoes maintenance and cosmetic updates before repositioning to Europe for the summer. And cruise stocks were down Friday. Carnival Corporation down 2.2%, 24.64. Royal Caribbean down 260.29. Norwegian down 2.6%, 15.52. And Viking down 3.5, 83.70. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. tips@cruiseradio.net. Here in Doha, Qatar. Nice Monday morning out there. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Monday.